you talking, I swear you talking. That's the best I'm gonna say. I'm a champ. Put it up on the rock. And I was back home. First thing on front, the beauty walking. I see the reading, you said, this is the life on the left for here. Please, I see what my eyes, and they catch my girl when I see those vessels. Sorry, but we are also up against my eye. And y'all just say I'm fat. See me and I'm my wife. Silence for a minute, rest in peace, this is how I am. I know I am a great guy. Let's see how I see what I will tell you my story. So I all know the sound of shit like a traffic. We do so many bad things, but see on the way. We power heaven. Yeah, because I really lose my way. So I got to stop too. We are 1, 2. We are go. Yeah, I'm a good body, I said the boat. I send 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 the boat. Yes, I'm back to the house. Okay, I hope you're proud.